ಕೆನರಾ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಮಂಡಳಿಯು ಎಲಿವೇಟ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಎಂಬ ಯೋಜನೆಗೆ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 23ರ ಶನಿವಾರ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಲಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಕೆಸಿಸಿಐ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಆನಂದ್ ಜಿ ಪೈ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಬಂದರ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕೆಸಿಸಿಐ ಕಚೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು. 1940ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯಾದ ಕೆಸಿಸಿಐ ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರದ ಭೂದೃಶ್ಯವು ಗಮನಾರ್ಹವಾಗಿ ವಿಕಸಿತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾಗಿ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತು ಗೋಡಂಬಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕರಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಂ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯಂತಹ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಗಳ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾಗಿಯೂ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಕೆಸಿಸಿಐ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲಿವೇಟ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಯೋಜನೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೆ ಆತ್ಮಿಕಾ ಅಮೀನ್, ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 23ರಂದು ನಾವು ಈ ಉಪಕ್ರಮದ ಹಂತ 1ರ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಸಿಸಿಐ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭರಾವ್, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಬಿ ಅಹಮದ್ ಮುದಸರ್, ಅಶ್ವಿನ್ ಪೈ ಮಾರೂರ್ ಇತರ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಸಹ ಬ್ರೀಫಿಂಗ್ ವೇಳೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Happen very seamlessly and they can grow in all aspects. This focus has led to the growth of our district, and today we can proudly say that Mangalore has reached a greater milestone from the time everything started. Mangalore has a history of trading from 800 BC. So we can, with the natural port being in Mangalore, the trading has happened far earlier days. But today we have all the modern facilities like a seaport in Mangalore, and we are flourishing with all the bustling activities from import and export. If you see right behind you, there's a timeline of KCCI, which will be shortly explained to you. KCCI, as I said, started in 1940, and KCCI has been very instrumental for the growth of this region. Starting from the airport that has come to Mangalore, the seaport, the railways, say MRPL, ONGC MRPL, which is here. KCCI has been very instrumental in the growth of this region and getting all these industries here. Today, we have come to a point where we have evolved as not just trading, but we have also come to a point where we have education, healthcare, and banking, and other industries that have flourished, and we have come to known as as a financial capital with 4 nationalized banks being founded in Mangalore. The other activities, that is the port activity which has given us the name. Other than that, we are now known for cashew. We are also known as one of the best ice cream center in India and also the world. So with all this, we have come to a point where we can further grow this region. We have excellent educational system here. We have good talent pool. Of late, we have seen many industries come to Mangalore. We have seen IT growing in this region. So it is something that we need to now go beyond. Tourism is another aspect which is very strongly developing in this region. So to bring this all together and to have a very sustainable growth, we all stakeholders have to come together and take this as an initiative and take this as a mission to grow our region. Now, this Elevate Brand Mangalore is a program, is a focus area which we have started a few years ago, and we have been conceptualizing it. And today we have come to a point where we are launching few initiatives on the 23rd. And the reason for this initiative is we all are doing our bit in growing this region, but we are not actually reaching out to the world, and this message needs to be communicated what Mangalore is and what Mangalore is all about. We are seeing
of making Mangalore known in the right light and also in the global market. As Anand has already briefed you about how did the focus area come into place. So the focus area of Elevate Brand Mangalore, when we all have a conversation, just when we're sitting in a group of friends maybe, or colleagues, everybody is trying to understand what kind of information can we put across in the global market to make sure that we bring in investors, be it tourists. How can we bring in more business to our city? How can that happen? Only if we are able to be visible to the market, right? And visibility is only by doing the right work and in the right process, right platform. And who better than creators as well as media that can help everything that is happening in the ground. That is, we're not talking only about KCCI, we're talking about all stakeholders. There are several trade bodies working on various initiatives. And all these initiatives are done with only one intention, to make Mangalore a better place and make Mangalore a place where people will look at it as a place where you can invest. It can be a place where you can have businesses and also a good balanced lifestyle. And that's exactly what we want to create